Let's talk about how a sailboat can outrun the very wind that powers it, and how SailGP works. Let's start by learning about sails on a boat. Picture it from above, where it looks a lot like an airplane wing, curved on one side and flatter on the other. As the wind hits it from the left here, some air flows around the curved side and speeds up, while the air on the flatter side moves slower. Bernoulli's principle says that faster air creates lower pressure, so the slower air on the bottom produces more pressure. That difference pulls on the sail or wing and generates lift. When we drop in SailGP's F50s and look from above with the sails angled like this and the wind coming from here, that same lift drives the boat forward in this direction of the green arrows. Sailboats have been doing this for over 1,000 years, but what's different about the F50 is precision engineering that turns even a little wind into incredible speed. That first piece of tech is the wing sail on the F50. While we showed a simple wing concept before, these ones used in SailGP are two pieces and powered by hydraulics. The other major factor is in what's called foils. You see, water is about 800 times denser than air, and you feel that when you're trying to run in a pool. It creates a ton of drag, and the F50 solves that with titanium T-foils that lift the boat clear out of the water, leaving just a sliver of surface in contact and cutting drag almost entirely. With advanced wing sails, these foils, and super low drag, these boats have topped 103 kilometers per hour, or 64 miles per hour from wind alone, while also pulling up to 3 G-forces in turns. They're faster than a black marlin, the fastest fish in the sea, and nearly double the speed of an orca whale, the ocean's apex predator. Now, the trick to staying fast in these races is keeping these foils at the perfect angle in the water. If the foil rides too high and breaks the surface, it loses lift, the boat crashes back down and can even capsize. But if the foil rides too low, drag skyrockets and the boat can dig into the water. Staying in that sweet spot takes more than just engineering. It takes a 6-person crew, each with a critical role. The driver steers and makes the maneuvering decisions, the wing trimmer adjusts the giant wing sail for power, the flight controller uses a video game style controller to fine-tune the foils and keep the boat balanced, 2 grinders provide the muscle, powering the winch that pulls in the large wing sail, and the strategist looks beyond the boat, reading wind shifts and traffic to guide decisions. All of this action plays out in places you'd never expect to see sailboats racing, right up close to shore in the middle of major cities in front of thousands of fans. From Sydney Harbor to Rio de Janeiro, New York, and even Lake Geneva, courses are tight, the races are short, and the boats are identical. It all comes down to how well the crews can handle them. And that's what makes SailGP different, a sport that usually happens miles and miles offshore, brought right in front of you, the fans.